Welcome to my channel MySakhi. Today I am sharing a famous recipe of Hyderabadi Paneer Masala. This dish is going to turn out just like a restaurant style delight. So let's start the recipe. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. First we will take 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. In this oil, first of all we will fry cashews. I have taken about 15 to 20 cashews here. We will fry them well in the oil for 15 to 20 seconds. Cashews don't take long to fry, so be careful, and as soon as they turn light golden, quickly take them out. Now here cashews are light golden. We will transfer them into a separate bowl. Next, in the same oil we will fry paneer. I have already cut the paneer into this shape. We will fry the paneer from all sides until they turn light golden brown. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes to fry the paneer on all sides until golden brown. We will fry the paneer on a medium-high flame to ensure it gets nice light golden color. Now that the paneer pieces are well fried on all sides, we will transfer them to a separate bowl. Next we will fry 4 to 5 slices of ginger and 15 to 20 cloves of garlic in the same oil. Fry them on a medium-high flame, stirring occasionally until they turn light golden brown on all sides for about 2 minutes. Now that the ginger and garlic are light golden brown, now we will add the spices here. I have taken 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon of coriander seeds, 2 dry red chilies, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 2 green cardamom and 1 star anise. Fry these spices for about 5 to 7 seconds after adding them to the oil. Now we will add 3 to 4 green chilies, half a capsicum, 1 small carrot and 2 medium-sized onions. These vegetables don't need to be cut into any particular shape. Cut them into small pieces and fry in oil for about 2 minutes. The combination of these vegetables will make a very tasty gravy. Now let this vegetable cool down, and once cooled, add a small bowl of coriander and mint leaves. Grind all this together in a mixture to make a smooth puree. Now we will take 2 to 3 more tablespoons of oil in the pan, and along with that add 2 tablespoons of butter. As soon as the butter melts, add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. Fry this on a medium-high flame until it turns light golden. Once it turns light golden, we will add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of garam masala powder, half tablespoon of red chili flakes, half tablespoon of Maggi masala powder and salt to taste. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water to these spices so they don't burn and can fry well. Fry these spices on a low flame for about 15 to 20 seconds. Once the spices are well fried and the oil starts to separate, take out 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to garnish the dish at the end. Now we will add the vegetable puree that we prepared earlier. Cook this puree on a low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Keep stirring continuously until the oil starts to separate from mixture. I have used enough vegetables to serve 3 people. You can adjust the quantity of spices and vegetables according to your needs. Now that the vegetable paste is well cooked, now we will add fried cashews, paneer and a half cup of fresh cream. Mix everything well and let it cook on a low flame for 15 to 20 seconds. As soon as it comes to a boil, your Hyderabadi Paneer Masala is ready. Do try this delicious and unique Hyderabadi Paneer Masala recipe. Finally, we will garnish it with fried cashews, coriander leaves, fresh cream and the rogan. If you like the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.